Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel. As many of you know, I bought this Ryobi 40 volt battery powered piece of crap. I don't know, maybe only like a year and a half, 2 years ago. I'll post the video up here when I first got it and did the review, but for some reason it is now cutting out in the middle of my small little lawn, and I purposely went around and did some more footage with the grass already cut so you could see it's not the clutch, it's not because it's getting overpowered and it's shutting down because it thinks the blade is hung up on something. I'm not really sure if it's like up here on this handle and the switch that's up here is causing a problem, or if it's this button that thinks the button, I don't know. I mean, that's just on and off. So when I had a corded lawnmower with the tail, you know, I actually bypassed this, so it was, when you plugged it in it was on, when you unplugged it it was off, because something's not right. And I checked the batteries because I originally thought maybe I had, you know, a battery that was bad or a dead cell, but I also have a couple other devices that I've used this on. So I have the edge trimmer, or like the edge trimmer, and I also have the smaller 2.5 amp, and it does the same thing. So it's not the battery, and I can move this battery over to the edge trimmer and it works fine. So I'm gonna tear into this and try to figure out like where that's coming from. It's either, you know, it's I don't think it's a frayed cable, like I said. I think it's just the switch, or it's something with the clutch and when it's spinning, and it could also be heat related. But I've been cutting the grass here, you know, in the Vegas heat, you know, a mile from the sun, and it's fine. And today it's not even really that hot. I mean, the battery is a little warm, but if I go inside right now, yeah, that's pretty toasty. But if I go inside right now, and I've also reset this just in case it rattled loose, that's not doing it either. So you know, I'll post this video for two reasons. One, as kind of an update, or you know, an update to the review on Ryobi 40 volt lithium brushless 20-inch lawnmower, and also, you know, to see if anybody else is having the same problem. So for right now, stay tuned, and I'll let you know if I figure it out. Thanks.